Hey y'all, Rob Treppenall here, Treppenall Landscape. Today's video is a quick little video on one of my favorite plants. So here it is right here. This is the flax lily. So this particular one is called the variegated flax lily. It's an awesome plant. The reason I like it is because it's pretty much bulletproof, very hard to kill. You can see right here, it's in kind of a semi-shaded environment. I've got some more back there in the shade. It's an amazing plant that can handle a fair amount of water, but also it does not dry out in drought conditions. It's just easy, it's beautiful, it looks good most of the year. It's just a very low maintenance plant, and my kids run through here all the time, get on the hammock, they don't tear it up. So if you want an easy plant and you're not good, if you don't have a green thumb, the flax lily is the way to go. Now's a good time to plant them. In the fall, it's fine. In the wintertime, they may get a little bit burnt up, little brown tips. When it freezes, you can cut it back and they will come back in the spring and look amazing. But y'all, if you want an easy plant that makes you look like a gardener, flax lily. Rob Treppenall, Treppenall Landscape.